school if you wanted to. I don't care. It could give whatever you wanted to give. I do not care.
Why the warning?
Daddy. Mm-hmm. My sister can teach me how to build. All she gotta do is tell me the supplies I need to get. That's it. That's all. That's all. Cause see, what Juju failed to realize is I don't care about nothing she got going on. I don't care about the money she got. I don't care about the money she spent. Talk to my daddy nice. Talk to my daddy nice. Send her all your money for all I care. Talk to her
Don't
nice.
disrespect her. We say that all the time. Don't disrespect.
Oh, Bunny, you didn't like me. Nah, bitch, I was hyping you up. I ain't never had a problem with you.
Seriously,
Never had a problem with you.
Since when have we ever had a problem with any of the girls coming in? We be in y'all messages helping y'all out.
Exactly.
Trying to help you out to get closer to her.
So it ain't never been about Bunny don't like you. Nah, bitch, you didn't like Bunny. You had a problem with Bunny. That ain't got nothing to do with me. That's your own personal feelings. That's how you feel about whatever we got going on. That's you. That's not me. I ain't never had a problem with you. I ain't never spoke ill about you. Even when I found out that it was you that was created the GoFundMe account for Pretty, and I found out that it was you that was making all them videos and stuff, talking about us, talking about Daddy and everything, I ain't never have a problem with you. I got a problem with you now, though.
A big problem, actually.
Anisha, you heard me. You heard me. Yep, that was her. That was her. Mm-hmm. What flavor is the Kool-Aid? It's grape.
Daddy said fruit punch.
She made me a grape on the side because I don't like fruit punch. I got grape. Everybody else got fruit punch. It's delicious. Would you like some? Come on in, the water's fine.
It's nice over
here. No, I'm not still talking to Juju because she blocked me. Who's the mad one here?
The one blocking?
Her.
No,
I said what I had to say, and she heard me very well. Like, we all know she heard me very well. You're scared. Say that. It's okay. Oh, yes, the strap. Yes. It's dangerous, child. I was already crazy before, but now I'm just...
that shit crazy.
Oh, they in here. There's a lot of y'all in here. Daddy in here, too. Oh, trust me, she's always around. She's always watching.
Always.
That's what God does. Nah, Bunny not scary. Bunny don't play about her daddy. And yes, I've been talking about my daddy dick for a year. Yes. Since I got it, it's what I'm talking about.
Never gonna stop.
Got it, what? February 26th of last year for the first time. It was great. Mind-blowing. It changed my life. It was amazing. Wonderful. I love it. And that was not the only time that I got it.
Mind-blowing is not.
Won't be the last time. Yeah. Dick is bomb. Bomb. Yes, yes, my world revolves around the dick. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Absolutely.
What if it else? She'll go buy another one.
1000%. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. You should all try it. It's wonderful.
Exactly. And he said, if she got it, she talk about it too, sure. Because if she knew what she knew what we knew, she would do the same thing. Okay.
Oh, no, the strap is definitely strapping.
Like that dumb mess going out talking about something.
She touched my crazy switch.
Mediocre. Never mediocre. Nowhere near it.
And not all of the joggers neither.
Hello. Yep, all of this over some silicone.
It's wonderful. The great thing about silicone is it just stays hard. Like it don't get tired. Ever. No, like mine is mine. Kayla's is Kayla's. Kitty's is Kitty's. Anisha's is Anisha's. We don't share. It's not communal. It's not one strap. Anisha, 10 stars. Highly recommend. It's got a Michelin star. Gold standard. Wonderful.
Who is this?
I'm trying. Ooh, Bunny, shut up. See, why you be drinking before you come on live like that? You can't do that. Whew. You saw Daddy comment.
These
she said sometimes she get them mixed up and she got to rebuy them. Oh, we don't have to do that because it's brand new every time. Because she can afford it. No, I ain't saying it because she watching. Baby, I'm saying because it's the truth. I'll call you and tell you how good the dick is. I'll give you a story.
Man, she do not have to be present for that to be said.
All I know is Daddy has the best dick in the world. And everybody wants to hop on it. And those of you that say you don't want to hop on it, you're just following the trend because you hear what people say about her. You just don't want to like her. Let's be realistic here. She fine as fuck. Dick is good. Dick is real good. Too good, actually.